Hello everyone, how are you? How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Well, it's time. Feels like it's time to intervene. So today, let's talk about something really interesting and let's build something really amazing. Wow, are you guys ready for that? You know what? I really want to feel it. Just are you guys ready for that? Just say something. Okay, that's great. So today we'll be focusing on a project called image classification. Wow, did you hear that? Image classification. That sounds good, right? But hold on. What does that mean? Or how does it work? Any guess from anyone? Well, it's your time. Just spit it out. Okay, hold on. First of all, let me know what does that image classification stands for. I mean, the word image classification. What does that mean? Any guess from anyone? Feels like some of you are saying something. I really appreciate. It's all about identifying image according to its visual content, right? For example, if I show a picture to the computer has to say this is the picture of this one. If I show a picture of cat, the computer has to say this is the picture of cat. So this how does it work actually? And by using this concept, look what I did. Well, I hope you can see the screen and although you can see a web software, right? And it has a name that is what is Teachable Machine. I'm gonna let you know in detail. Now look at the right side, although you can see something like input. Did you see that? Now here I'm gonna turn on the switch and let's figure it out what would happen. Wow, feels like my webcam has turned on. Oh, that's pretty cool. Now I really want to make sure a little bit. You all are familiar with the actors, right? So how about Hollywood actors? Okay, hold on. I really want to make sure that. Well, I hope you can see the screen and look at that. Feels like you all are familiar with this actor, right? What about his name? Can you help me out? Exactly. His name is Robert Downey Jr., right? Feels like you all are familiar with Iron Man movies or Avengers movies. So his name is Robert Downey Jr. Exactly. Now, what about this one? Exactly. His name is Will Smith, right? He's a well-known actor. Now I'm gonna show you one more pic and you need to identify. So what about this one? Yeah, what about his name? Yeah, he's a well-known actor. What about his name? Exactly, Tom Cruise, right? He's a good actor to be honest, and I have watched a lot of films like Mission Impossible and something. You're not familiar with this actor, right? And Tom Cruise, that's the name. Now look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share my screen again and let's figure it out. Well, I hope you can see the screen again. Now look at the right side. Let me scroll down a little bit. And there you can see something like RDJ, which means Robert Downey Jr., right? And there you can see something like Will Smith and Tom Cruise. Now look what I'm gonna do. This one is really important. I'm gonna show one of the image to the computer and the computer has to predict the actor name. So here we go. There you can see three names, right? Such as RDJ, Robert Downey Jr. and Will Smith, Tom Cruise. So look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show an image to the webcam and here we go. Wow, did you see that? Look at that. Although you can see RDJ, it's around 100%. Did you see that? That's pretty something, right? So the computer is identifying this is what is RDJ, which means Robert Downey Jr. That's pretty amazing. Now here I'm gonna show another one. So here we go. Look at the webcam. Okay. Wow. Did you see that? Look at the Will Smith. It says 100% it's Will Smith, right? So that's pretty something. What do you guys think? Now let's figure it out. The third one, that is what is Tom Cruise. And here we go. Wow, look at that. The computer is saying 100% it's Tom Cruise. That's really something, right? What do you guys think? So this is all about the project that we'll be focusing today. So how is it? What do you guys think? This is really something, right? And you know what? Instead of these Hollywood actors, you can add any image. If you really want, you can add your own image. That would be fun, I guess. And also you can add football players, cricket players. It's up to you actually. If you got the concept, you can make it better. And you know what? It's all about training the software. Wait, what did I say? Training the software or teaching the software. Feels like we heard this sentence before, right? But I just forgot. What does that mean or where it stands for? Any guess from anyone? Exactly. It's all about machine learning, right? I told you before, I guess. Machine learning, it's all about teaching a computer or a machine to learn things on its own. Just like we humans learn things every day, right? And I told you one example, you remember? Yeah, it's like just imagine you have a robot friend who wants to play a new game. So probably you may be explaining everything in detail, right? Yeah, everything in detail of the game. So I told you instead of explaining everything in step by step, you could show the video of how to play that game. And the robot has to figure it out the best way to win by itself, just looking at the video. So it's all about machine learning actually. And he will be using the same concept. He will be training the software by uploading a lot of images. Now look at the screen. Look at the left side. Over there you can see a lot of images, right? Okay, now look at the first one. Over there you can see RDJ, right? And inside the box, I have uploaded 100 image samples. Oh, that sounds crazy, right? Anyway, I'm gonna show you this. It's gonna be so easy. And there you can lot of images of Robert Downey Jr., right? Now same as this, now look at the second one. There you can see Will Smith, where I have filled 100 image samples of Will Smith. There you can see, right? Now you might be thinking, where did I get this much images of the actor, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you that. That's so easy. Actually, I have downloaded a dataset from the software called the Kaggle. I'm gonna let you know step by step. Now look at the third step. Here I have mentioned Tom Cruise and we have filled with a lot of images of Tom Cruise. So this how does it work actually? If you really want to add your own, just create a box. There you can see an option, right? Add a class and just give a name and just upload the images. That's it. Anyway, I'm gonna let you know one by one. So first of all, let me share my screen and let's figure it out what are the things that we'll be learning today. So have a look. Well, I hope you can see the screen. So these are the things that we'll be learning today. Have a look. I told you today we'll be making something really amazing, right? And that is what is this one. All you do is just show the image to the webcam and the computer has to predict the image. That's it. And we'll be learning Teachable Machine. Actually, that's the software that we'll be using for making this project. That's gonna be so easy. All you do is just upload the pictures. That's it. And we'll be looking into Kaggle software. I told you from where I have downloaded the dataset. They will be having a lot of dataset actually. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna show you that. And then we'll be focusing to build this project. I mean the image classification project. So you guys are ready, right? And I told you the concept, right? It's all about machine learning, which means we need to train this software, right? So here we need some data. So we'll be focusing on actors image. Either you can download it from Google, or else I told you we have a platform called Kaggle. We'll be having a lot of data sets. So either you can go through the Kaggle software, I'm gonna show you, or you can download the dataset from the supporting material. We will be getting a link. All you do is just click on the link and you will be redirected to a drive link where you will be getting a lot of images of the actors as folders. That would be good, exactly like the Kaggle. Or else I told you can just go through the Kaggle. I'm gonna show you that in detail. So I wanted to just open Google and just search Kaggle, exactly as mine. Just look at the screen. Well, I hope you can see the screen now. I wanted to search exactly as mine, Kaggle. So this is a software we'll be getting a lot of data sets actually. Now listen, everyone has to listen. This one is really important. Actually, we have three options to get data sets. The first one is the drive link. I told you I have attached in the supporting material. Just click on it and you'll be getting the same. I mean images of the actors. I have created folders for each actors. So that would be good. And the second option is Kaggle. I'm gonna show you how to download the dataset from the Kaggle. That's gonna be easy, but you need to create an account. I'm gonna show you that. And the third one, it's like you can download the image from the Google and just upload to the Teachable Machine. That's it. Anyway, it's up to you, totally up to you. Just figure it out the easy one. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the Kaggle software. So just search on it, and we'll be having a lot of options from here. Just click on the first one. From here, you need to register with your own mail ID actually. That's why I said you could get the dataset from the drive link. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to register. Just click on it and just register with your mail ID. That's it. And here we go. After registering, you will be getting a page like this. From here, look at the left side. Over there, you can see an option called a dataset. Did you see that? Just click on it. And then we'll be having a page like this. And there is an option to search, right? Now here I'm going to search celebrity face. So here we go. And let's wait a little bit. Wow, look at that. Over there, you can see an option called a celebrity face image dataset. Did you see that? Just click on it. And look at that. We'll be getting these actors images. Feels like 100 samples for each actors. I mean image samples. So that's really something, right? Now at the top there you can see an option called download. Just click on it and you'll be getting a zip file. You need to extract it. Then you'll be having a folder. Then you'll be getting each actor images. I'm gonna show you that. So let me download. Yeah. Well, I hope you can see the screen and over there you can see the zip file, right? Which I have downloaded. Now what did I say? Just extract the file. So just click on it. Just click on the option called extract and that's it. And here I have already extracted the file. So after extracting, we'll be getting a file like this. Just click on it. Wow, look at that. Did you see that? Wow, look at that. Over there you can see a lot of folders which is filled with the actors images. So for example, there you can see Robert Downey Jr., right? Just click on it. Wow, did you see that? Though you can see a lot of images of Robert Downey Jr., right? Now same as this, you can see another one, Tom Cruise. Yeah, here we go. Though you can see a lot of, feels like 100 samples are there. That's pretty cool. Now same as you can see a lot of folders for the actors and actors as well. So if you really want to teach the computer to figure it out the actors, all you do is just upload the dataset. That's it. Now it's time to open the main software, that is what is Teachable Machine. So again, just open the Google and just search Teachable Machine. Here we go. And then we'll be having a lot of links from here. I want you to click the first one, Teachable Machine. Just click on it. And then we'll be having a page like this. From here, there you can see an option called Get Started. Did you see that? I wanted to click this one, exactly the blue button. Wow, and look at that. Though you can see a lot of options, right? And today I told you we'll be focusing on the image classification, right? So the first one, exactly the first one, just click on the first one, which says image projects. Just click on it. And then we'll be having a page like this. From here, I wanted to click the first one, standard image model. Just click on it. Wow, look at that. Then we'll be having a page like this. This one is the main page actually. From here, we'll be training the software. Now look at that. Although you can see class 1. Did you see that? So here I'm going to rename the class 1 into Robert Downey Jr. So let's figure it out. So here I'm going to name it as RDJ, short form of Robert Downey Jr. That's pretty cool. Now same as is, just give a name. That's it. Now the second one, here I'm going to give Tom Cruise. That's pretty cool. Now there you can see an option called add class. Did you see that? I told you before, right? If you really want to add more, just click on this option and just give another name. So here I'm gonna give Will Smith. And if you really want, you can add another one. Just click on the add class again and just give another celebrity name. So here I'm gonna give Johnny Depp. You all are familiar with this actor, right? Have you seen Pirates of the Caribbean? He's a good actor, right? What do you guys think? Exactly. Now here we have created 4 boxes, I guess. Yeah, same as if you really want, you can add as much you can. That's pretty cool. Now it's time to add the sample. So there you can see 2 options actually. There you can see webcam and there is another option called upload. When you click on the webcam, your computer's webcam will be turning on and you can capture the images. So that would be good. If you really want, you can go like that. That's why I said this is gonna be so fun. You can add your own image and you can give a name. That's really fun. That's gonna be fun, right? Anyway, today we'll be focusing on the second one, that is what is upload, because we have the data set. So just click on this option and you need to add the images of Robert Downey Jr. So just click on this option and yeah, the first one, choose the images from your file. Just click on it. And you need to make sure the file where we have the images of Robert Downey Jr. So there we go. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now we need to add these images as samples. So just select all the images and just click on the open option. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, did you see that? Wow, now look at that. Although you can see 100 image samples. That's pretty amazing. Now let's focus on the second one. That is what is Tom Cruise, right? So again, just click on this option and the first one and just make sure the file where we have the Tom Cruise images. Yeah, here we go. And just select all the image and just click on the open. Wow, it's loading. That's pretty cool. And at the top, you can see 100 image samples. That's pretty cool. Now let's focus on the third one. Yeah, click on the option called upload. And I want you to do the same. It's your time, just get it done. Just upload the images of Will Smith. Just select all and just click on the open. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's great. Now let's focus on the last one. That is what is Johnny Depp, right? Just click on the upload again. And the first one. And just add the images of Johnny Depp. Okay, now that's pretty cool. Now look at that. Here I have created 4 boxes where I have uploaded images of actors, right? Now there you can see an option called training. Did you see that? Yeah, over the middle side you can see something like train model. I want you to click the same. Everyone has to do it. Just click on it. Now what is going on is actually it's training. Okay, now look at that. It says model train. That means, yeah, it has been completed. Now look at the right side over there. You can see the webcam option, right? And just scroll down over there. You can see the actor names. Robert Downey Jr., Tom Cruise, Will Smith, and Johnny Depp. Now look what I'm going to do. I'm going to show one of the actor image to the webcam and let's figure it out whether it is working or not. So here we go. We all know this is Tom Cruise, right? Now, wow, that's pretty working, right? Now look at that. Look at the Tom Cruise. It says around 99 to 100%. That's pretty something. Okay, that's perfectly working. Now let's focus on the second one. Here we go. Wow, it's working perfectly, right? 100% it says these out as Will Smith would look like. That's pretty cool. Now here I'm gonna show Robert Downey Jr. Wait, what is going on? Wow, it's working perfectly, right? Wait, hold on. Feels like the camera has to focus a little bit. Oh, it's working, right? Look at that. Wow. Okay, it's working. For me, it's working. What about you guys? Did you get this thing? So this is all about this section and I told you It's all about machine learning concept, right? Here we have trained the software by uploading a lot of samples. And if you show an image to the webcam, it will be cross-checking all the samples and will be figuring it out, is there any sample features exist in this image or not? So this how does it identify the image. So this is all about the session. It's time to wind up. So let's talk about what are the things that we learned today. So in the beginning, we have downloaded the dataset, right? I told you either you can download from the Drive link or you can download the photos from the Google, or else you can go to the Kaggle software. We will be having a lot of datasets, or else you can add your own image. That's going to be fun, I guess. And we went to the software called the Teachable Machine, where we have trained the software by uploading a lot of images, and we have gone through the testing part and it was working perfectly, right? So what about you guys? I hope you got the same. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.